Our Chief Minister dream of making Meghalaya a 16 billion economy by 2032. As of right now, we are at 7.81 billion economy. And as of 7.81 billion economy, we are still facing many issues. First thing first are potholes. Potholes are in every corner of our roads. Tingnan ni himpe iba niki iba niki kam cukut kata operation pothole ko jongki. Pa jaka ni surak po golfling nite.
Kansan si pang kanega surak. Kapala klaw ne. Asngi ka ba sa pausa hang ne po golfling kum si banta jong ko operation pothole. Pothole kani digam desho ka pothole kani ka bondhole lane ka thiupong. Are pek lagi ni kali SUV sarkari la thi khrang namar kitip bagilinti sangke hang ne po jala kilong kiba khoro khoram. Sangsat upay ba Obama ya gani ka jing
Since day 1 had to day 44, still the road is not repaired yet. Okay. And the second thing is civil hospital Shillong. Kat ka civil hospital Shillong. Kadantang ka ka operation room. Kibre ki bawang pa operation ki haban postpone ki naman bakimlaban pendep ka operation nakatukos ni. Imagine that.
Habakran sigilat patay kubor ba roy ko person ram u president ulaong babon ki patba ki haban mat jing e na kajing pen sange poit ka bala long kensan wat hadin bala bu e katarik hakaba ki la ai daw ba haban pen ken ria biang ya katarik pan poit ka daw ka dai namar ba kadan tang ko e jaka poit nong pang bat kum ta ki haban pen ken ria yaki.
When that happened, ke ka force ke ba pen long yaki pa ba ban le lada kamla ka civil hospital kamla pendep ki pa ki have move ki private ki have let ki private hospital but lada ki la po ki private hospital ki have sale pisa shibun and when they pay a lot of money, who is earning more? The private hospital is earning more and the public are facing the real problems. And the third thing is the construction of meaningless stuff. Like this gate. We have a 1 crore gate in the who. I don't know. Whom are we protecting? Are we protecting the students from the people from the students, or the students from the police? It's confusing, okay? It is confusing to have a 1 crore gate. And the under construction that is meaningless for me is a traffic point that we have in IGP which costs 28 lakhs. Why do we have a traffic point with 28 lakhs? Why the only one we have? Why not every traffic point should be equal to 28 lakhs? It's confusing. Lada Chief Minister Ijongi Ilaban explanation. Maybe he might give you a very well explanation why we need all these kind of stuff. But from my side, no, I don't believe that these things are required. And all of these stuff, it increased the GDP of the state. All of these constructions, all of these, making the private sector earn more, increased the GDP of the state. But the real question arises, are we building economy just for numbers, or are we building economy for people? I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section.